Hi, this is a short video tutorial on how to embed a video in Canvas. And here I am going to be doing it inside a discussion forum in the poetry class. So, as you can see in this discussion forum, students have brought in a bunch of video posts. These, I can tell by the size of them, were done in Canvas using the Integrated Media Recorder, which is a wonderful tool when it works. If for some reason you are finding it's not working, I think there are a couple things you can try first. One, I would try a different browser. If you're using Chrome, try Safari, etc. I also think that sometimes restarting your computer can just give your computer a kind of break that might help. I also know, though, that this has been a problem that's come up pretty widely and that Canvas is working on this. So if you cannot get it to work and you've tried those things, there's a solution. You can make your video on your phone, on your computer. If you have a digital camera with video capability, you could do that. Then you have to get that video onto YouTube. So put it onto YouTube and you will need to make it unlisted. Yes, that does mean it's a public video, but it's unlisted, so it would be very hard for anybody to find it. The only way, though, you'll be able to share it is if you do that. You also could do the same kind of thing with Vimeo if you felt more confident about that as a hosting place for your video. So let me take you over to YouTube, where I have found a crash course with, I'm sure you know, John Green, The Fault in Our Stars, although I do think Looking for Alaska is perhaps his better novel, or his best novel. He's got several. Here's John Green doing a crash course on Emily Dickinson, and I'm going to put this into your discussion forum. So what I need to do is to scroll down to where it says Share. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on Embed, which I've already done, and I am going to copy this code. Now I'm going to go back to the discussion forum. I'm going to click and reply and get the rich text editor up, and I'm going to put a little intro. John Green on Emily Dickinson. And then I'm going to say, I'm going to come over here to where it says Rich Content Editor. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to get the HTML editor, because now you are working with HTML. And you can see the little carrots with the P. That indicates to create a paragraph, that sort of thing. So I'm actually going to return again, and I am going to paste in the HTML that I grabbed on YouTube. Okay, so I've now got all that in place, and I can switch this back if I want, and I can see, oh, it looks like something's going to be there. Then I'm going to hit Post Reply. And now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. Here I am, and I have put a video into the discussion forum, and you'll see that it displays larger. I could even go back into the HTML and play with those dimensions. I could change them up and make it even bigger if I wanted to, so that's good to know, I think. And I like the big display. I know that your videos will get big when we look at them, and so that's good, and it's easier to just do it in Canvas. This requires a few more steps, but it's a terrific workaround. If that integrated video recorder isn't working, you have a solution. You can problem solve and go to plan B, which always have a plan B here and in other spots. All right, enjoy.